What's up, friends? Jessica Brigham here from jessicabrigham.com, and today you're going to learn how to paint kitchen cabinets. Who's ready for this? I'm never going to be ready. Painting kitchen cabinets is an affordable way to breathe new life into a kitchen for pennies on the dollar of buying new. I'm going to be real with you guys. If you're rehabbing existing kitchen cabinets, this is the best way to get the biggest bang for your buck. All of the supplies for this project were under $200. However, I did buy brand new kitchen cabinets. And in retrospect, it would have been much wiser for me, both time and sanity wise, to have had them professionally spray painted. For an in-depth explanation of my experience, head over to the blog post, because we don't have any time for that right now. We gotta learn how to paint some cabinets. Let's go. Here's what you'll need. First things first, let's prep our cabinets. Remove all the cabinet doors from the bases. Organize the hardware into jars, store the brackets in their respective units, then use painter's tape to label each cabinet door by size. Tape off all of the edges, shelves, walls, and floors surrounding the bases. Next up, we're going to sand town. We're going to sand. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. With a light to medium grit sandpaper or block, rough up all of the surfaces. It's a critical step to ensure adhesion. Use a vacuum and a tack cloth to remove all of the dust every gosh darn time. Alright guys, it's time to prime. For the bases, apply primer to the inner edges of each cabinet base. Then swiftly apply full coverage to the front and sides with a mini roller. For the cabinet doors, apply primer first in the corners, then swiftly apply coverage to the front and outer edges. Set aside until tack dry about 30 minutes. The primer is ready for a top coat within 1 to 2 hours. Apply your top coat just as you did your primer, except 3 times and to both sides of the cabinet door. Oh yeah. The first coat looks horrendous. Do not be alarmed. And don't forget to sand in between every coat. This helps remove all imperfections and aids a ton in adhesion. If any large paint blobs have dried, just get a razor or an X-Acto blade and scrape those suckers off. Peace! Cabinet coat is tack dry in 60 minutes, ready for a recoat in 6 hours, and fully cures within 5 to 7 days. Not too shabby. Also, I cheated. I didn't prime the backs of my cabinet doors. They're holding up just fine, which makes me want to ask the question, did I really need to prime at all? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? So, just letting you know. Good questions. Here's a handful of helpful tips when painting kitchen cabinets. Be aware of your environment. Temperature and humidity play a large role in drying times. You have no idea how many times I went outside, I went inside, I just pay attention. Work the paint quickly. It's all in the wrist. Apply lightly and in the same direction as much as humanly possible. Too many strokes are going to lead to unwanted brush marks, and we do not want unwanted brush marks. No. Wrap your brushes and your rollers in plastic wrap to extend their shelf life. So there you have it, a paint tutorial for the ages. If you've got a paint job on deck, send me your photos, keep me in the loop. I'm here for all the emotional support you need, boo. And remember, subscribe to my YouTube, and until next time, peace and good luck. You're gonna need it.